what are we doing, Mike Laura? So what are we doing? So this is basically, you're seeing what it looks like when they first got started. You saw all the trees laying down, and you saw the all the fencing, the net fencing that was out front, the rope fencing. It was all on the ground. All the trees were laying down. They haven't even been at it for 2 years, and they've had this happen several times. Boy, I bet this is getting old for them.